Hi, guys. It is Wednesday, April 8th, and Benji's with me today. I want to go over the assignment for today, but first, let me start with I did make a change. So here's our calendar. What I've decided is today's assignment is going to take a little longer than what we've normally been doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and give 2 days to get it done. So this is your assignment for Wednesday and Thursday. So get it done by like Thursday evening is what I'm hoping. I'll probably set it as due Friday morning just because I know a lot of you guys are working at night. But let me go over what you need to do. So I have an article, and it's in Google Classroom with these slides, and you're going to annotate the article. So I'm going to show you digitally how to annotate, go over the expectations and the rubric. So here's the article. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, so here's our rubric. So I do want color code. So here's your code. So yellow for vocab, definitions, those kinds of things. Blue, if it's examples, evidence, quotes. Green, rules, process, steps, answer, analysis. And then the pink for important information, common mistakes, the main ideas generally. All right, so I'm not going to make you number the paragraphs. I am going to make you color code, add questions and comments in using comment boxes, and write a summary at the end. All right, so every paragraph I do expect there to be a highlighting and a comment box. So in case you didn't know, let's look at this first paragraph. Your body needs energy to breathe. Well, we know energy has kind of been a vocab word, so I'm going to go ahead and I highlighted it. I'm going to pick yellow. That's a vocab word. So that's how I highlight. To power all things and tasks, your body gets energy from the food you eat. That might be kind of a main idea. It's where we get our energy. Of course, humans aren't the only organisms that need energy to live. The same is true of all other organisms, including plants. However, plants don't eat the way humans do. They have their own way of taking in energy. It's called photosynthesis. So that's another, that's going to be in yellow. And I went ahead and highlighted the rest of the sentence because there's a comma there. That means that's a definition, right? So photosynthesis is the process of absorbing energy from the light to make food. You should have learned about that last year. So if I need to make a comment box here. So I'm going to highlight that sentence, and then you can right click and do a comment box, or it ends up over here, but because I see my picture, I can't write it over there. Here's my, okay. So I might write over here that I remember from 7th grade, if you do, that photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. Oh, spelled it wrong. Chloroplast. It's spelled right. I don't know why it's saying it's wrong. All right. So that's what you do. So pretty much when we're annotating digitally, it's just like we would do in the classroom, but instead of writing notes in the margins, you're doing it in comment boxes. They could be questions. They could be something like this that we might remember from last year, something we already know. Notice I at least have 2 highlighting colors per paragraph. I could probably definitely do more. So I could talk about, I can have some blue in here for my supporting detail, but that's what I'm looking for. So for each paragraph, you're going to go through, you're going to mark it up, you're going to highlight it, and then at the end, on that 3rd page, you're going to write me a short little 4 short sentence summary or 2 long complex sentence summary. Okay. Again, this is due by Friday morning. You should be able to get it done. You should be able to do it tomorrow or today, and then have a day to kind of work on late work and get caught up. So hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.